hero by accident. Adam Gray wakes up. He is tired. He has the same dream. He dreams of being a hero. "Good work, James Bond," he hears in the dream. "Ring," the alarm rings. "Nice dream," he says. He gets up. He puts on his shirt. He lives in a small flat. He walks to the bus stop. He goes to work. He works at a bank. He does the same job every day. He does not like his job. He does not like his boss, Mr. Smith. Every day is the same, he thinks. Nothing exciting ever happens to me. He arrives at the bank. He is a little late. "Morning, Adam," says Mrs. B at the door. "Morning," Adam says. Mrs. B is kind. She reads his palm. She laughs. "Your horoscope today," she says. "Libra, do something different today." Adam smiles. "Thanks, Mrs. B. Bye." He walks in the bank. He goes to his desk. He sits. He looks at the papers. He feels bored. Adam usually goes left in the park. Today, he goes right. Do something different today, he thinks. He walks into the park. He hears a noise. "Help!" someone shouts. "Stop that!" another voice says. "Come on, run!" people shout. Adam runs toward the sound. He sees a small group of people. They move quickly. They look scared. "Who are they?" Adam asks. "I don't know," someone says. At the bank, a team starts a plan. They wear dark clothes. They enter the bank. "Nobody move," one man shouts. "Give us the money," another man cries. People are very scared. The bank camera records everything. The robbers speak and shout. They wave their guns. "Come on, move, we want to leave," they say. "Police are coming," someone shouts. There is a loud noise. Thump, a bag falls. "Ouch," someone says. Back outside, Adam runs. He sees two people walking away fast. One of them drops a rucksack. "Stop! Give us the money!" one robber shouts. The two people run. A woman falls. "Sorry," she says. Adam hears a voice. "I know that voice," someone says. "Police! Help!" someone shouts. The robbers run away. They get into a car. Adam and the woman are near each other. "Quick, run, before they see us," a voice says. The woman says, "Stop, I do not need your help." "You don't understand," she answers. "My name is Serena Silver. I am an actor." Adam looks at her. "The men with you? Who are they?" he asks. "They are actors," she says. "There is no money in the bag," she says. "It is only newspaper. Look," she opens the rucksack. It is full of money. At the same time, the robbers are in the car. "How much money have we got?" one robber asks. "Lots," another answers. They look at the bag. They are surprised. "What's this?" they cry. "This is newspaper," they shout. "Where's our money?" they ask. "This is bad," one man says. The robbers are angry. "They have our rucksack," one robber cries. "They have our money," another shouts. "The dirty thief," they shout. "We must get our money back," they say. They run back to the street. They see Adam and Serena. They are actors, someone says. No, they are not, another says. And that gun is real, someone says. Run, people shout. Adam takes action. He is brave. He is not a hero in the dream. He is a normal man. He wants to help. He runs with Serena to a car. Where are we going? She asks. To the film set, Adam says. Are they close behind us? She asks. Yes, Adam says. You must drive more quickly, he says. I have an idea, Serena says. Have you got a phone? She asks. Yes, Adam says. Don't ask questions, she says. Dial 0743-2689. Quick, she says. Please help us, they say into the phone. Where are you? A voice asks on the phone. On the bridge near the airport, they say. At the film studio, the director sees the scene. Bring the cameras and film, he says. Drive to the airport at once. We can stop them there. This is wonderful, the director says. My film can make a lot of money, he says. But then the car stops. Hiccup! There is no petrol. Oh no, I am afraid. The robbers stop too. They stop, one man says. Let's get them. They have my money, another cries. What can we do now? One asks. I have a second idea, the director says. Where's the gun? He asks. It is a water gun, one man says. Yes, but the robbers don't know, the director says. And it leaks, another says. I do not want to be James Bond now, someone laughs. The robbers stop the car. Get out of the car with your hands up, they shout. And the girl with the rucksack, they say. The leader sees a face. I know that voice, he says. Bring it to me, slowly, he says. Is it Mr. Smith, my boss? Adam asks. No, it can't be. He is on holiday, Adam thinks. The leader looks at the bag. Is the money in the rucksack? He asks. It is our rucksack, boss. What a lot of money, the leader says. Don't be greedy. Leave some for me, one of them says. Excellent, the leader says. Adam Gray has the water gun. Take the money and leave the girl, he says. I've got a gun too, he says. Yes, you have, and it is leaking, Mr. Gray, someone says. Mr. Smith, but you are on holiday, Adam says. Soon, the man says. With this money, I can go on a very long holiday. The leader is angry. Now that you know who I am, I must kill you and your friend, he says. There are police everywhere, another voice says. Put your guns down, the voice says. This is wonderful, someone says. Don't stop filming, the director says. What are you doing? One robber asks. I can't see anything now, another robber cries. There is confusion. Stop, someone yells. Ouch, someone says. Now I've got the gun, a man says. Listen to the police, the voice says. Quick, Adam, your tie, someone shouts. What? Adam says. Tie his hands, the voice says. Mr. Gray, you're late for work, someone laughs. The end.